Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to recover Coinbase wallet without phrase. So first we will find out whether it is possible for you to do it, and if it is, then how you can actually recover your Coinbase wallet without phrase. So first of all, you need to launch your Coinbase wallet, and then you will be able to see the interface that will look something like this. So you can either create a new wallet and you can import your wallet that you already have. So you need to select the second option, and it will give you only two options of backing up your crypto wallet, and both of these options include recovery phrase. So for any reason, if you forgot your recovery phrase, then what you can do is you can simply tap on I need help, and then you will be landed on the Coinbase's page of the help center. So over here you just have to scroll down and try to find the chat option, and you can even read the information that is given on this page and check if that can help you. But if it doesn't able to help you, then you just have to simply contact with the Coinbase customer support team, and you just have to tell them that you want to recover your recovery phrase, and they are going to help you in this regard. You can even use the option that says I have a smart wallet. So if you have it, then you can select it, but as you can see that currently it is in the coming soon section, so you just have to wait until the smart wallet option comes in. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.